on YouTube? Welcome to the shop. Well, I got my HackerBox early. Usually been getting it on like the 8th day, 10th day, something like that. For some reason I got it early this time, so it's pretty awesome. SparkNet HackerBox 0045. Before I open this though, I wanted to say something. In my last unboxing, 44, I can't remember the name of that one now. I had mentioned before I opened that one that I was having problems with the previous box, which was Falcon's Maze on the ESP32 cam. Well, I finally figured it out, and I thought it was kind of interesting how I figured it out. I figured I'd tell you guys. The box before that was Worlds of Wi-Fi, and in that one we had made the Wi-Fi scanner. And I was playing with that Wi-Fi scanner, and I noticed that the SSID on that was showing my SSID was different than what was actually on my router. So I took the chance and went back in the Arduino IDE and changed that to what I was finding on my scanner, and lo and behold, it fixed it. So I guess I'm not really sure how or why. I mean, I kind of understand why it's different, but I didn't realize it at when I was trying to make that cam work. It just never would work, and lo and behold, that little scanner actually became pretty interesting, or pretty useful. So I found that pretty interesting. All right, let's get to it. SparkNet, yeah. Looks like a pretty full box. That's awesome. Let's see here. You can already tell. Got what is that? I forget what that's called. It looks like we have 3 of them. And that's, yeah, got 3 of them. I forget what box we had. We had something like this a couple months back. I can't remember the box though. I want to say it was subgits, actually. That's what it was, subgits. We had pretty much the same thing. Something very, very similar anyways. A little parts package. Switch, some 1 transistor, a couple LEDs, some capacitors. Let's see here what we got here. Looks like we have 3 of these. Can't read it, it's so small. What does that say? Magnifier. T167. Something tells me that goes with this, since it looks like we have 3 of them. Just like on the subgits. I call it gits, but yeah, it's the exact same thing. So we have 3 of those, 3 of those. Looks like a PRI. Yes, sir. My capacitors are bent. PRI. We have a resistor box, a box of resistors. Open Sesame, a whole bunch of resistors. Wow, that's a lot. Nice. Alright, I already have a whole bunch, but that's okay. Can never have too much, I guess. Wow. Awesome. There's that. We have a little servo. Alrighty. I'll put that back in there. And some battery. Potentiometer 10K. Alrighty. Got a little badge, it looks like. Subscribe today. Live the hack life. That's not unlike the badge kit we got last year. Looks very similar. Smaller though. Patch, hack life. Yeah, a couple little boards. DigiSpark Pro, that's what it's called. That goes right there. That goes right there. And and there's LED. And it looks like a little transistor. Yeah, there's 3 transistors in there. Okay. There's 3 of those. Some jumpers. Gotta have jumpers. And a Google sticker. Alright. That's a pretty big haul. Yeah, alright. Okay, well, let me know what you think.